Look at this, babe. Turn around. Whoa.
And this ball tailing back over the inside part of the plate.
Whack.
In the late innings, it's better, generally speaking, to stay away from hitters.
What was Grandma doing to you, Allison?
No, I was on the back of her blankie. She couldn't pull it out from under me.
Allison, you're not allowed to do that. What do you think you're doing? It's on tape. You're in trouble. Actually, it's on digital.
Oh, goodness. Hello, Carl. Hello, there's some Oh, no, don't tell me she's back behind me again.
Allison, what did I tell you about climbing on the chair?
Don't jump, honey. That's all I ask. Don't jump.
Now a base hit in the left off the bat of Jason Bartlett, and the go-ahead run is on. As the Rays are getting good swings now against